Your car is one of your biggest investments, but are you unknowingly shortening its lifespan? Most drivers don't realize that small maintenance mistakes can lead to major breakdowns, costing thousands in repairs. But today, I'm revealing 4 shocking maintenance secrets that mechanics won't tell you. Secrets that will keep your car running like new for years. Secret number 1. The truth about engine oil changes. You've probably heard that you should change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. But here's the truth. The real lifespan of your oil depends on your driving conditions, not just mileage. Stop blindly following old-school advice. Modern synthetic oils can last up to 10,000 miles or more, especially if you mostly drive on highways. Always check your owner's manual and get an oil analysis if you want to know exactly when to change it. Secret number 2. The one maintenance task that saves your engine. If you think your air filter is just about clean airflow, think again. A dirty air filter can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 15% and even damage your engine over time. A clogged filter forces your engine to work harder, causing unnecessary wear. The shocking part. Most mechanics won't tell you when your filter actually needs replacing because they make money off unnecessary replacements. Check it yourself every few months and replace it when visibly dirty. Secret number 3. The hidden killer of your transmission. Did you know that 90% of automatic transmission failures are due to overheating? And the biggest culprit? Neglecting transmission fluid changes. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid doesn't burn off, but it breaks down over time, losing its protective properties. The best-kept secret. Adding an aftermarket transmission cooler can significantly extend your transmission's life, something dealerships rarely mention. Secret number 4. The tire pressure hack that saves fuel. Underinflated tires don't just wear out faster, they also decrease your fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Even worse, they increase braking distances and make handling unsafe. The shocking part? Many gas station air pumps aren't calibrated correctly, so always use a high-quality digital tire pressure gauge at home. Keeping your tires at the manufacturer's recommended pressure can save you hundreds of dollars in fuel and tire replacements over time. Now that you know these 4 secrets, you're already ahead of most drivers. If you want more game-changing car tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Have a maintenance hack of your own? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it.